Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English grammar work, some common verbs and their nouns. First verb is achieve, noun is achievement. Next, add, addition, admit, admission, advise, advisor, agree, agreement, allot, allotment, appoint, appointment, approve, approval, arrange, arrangement, arrive, arrival, astonish, astonishment, bath, bath. Next verb is drip, noun is drop, draw, drawer, drive, driver, elect, election, employ, employment, enjoy, enjoyment, feed, food, float, fleet, flow, flood, give, gift, go, gate, grieve, grief. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.